Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use Kagura in Anime Vanguard. First, let's understand her core role. Kagura is a versatile support unit, capable of turning the tide of battle with her unique skills. Mastering her requires knowing when to activate her abilities for maximum impact. We'll cover her key strengths and how to integrate her into your team composition for optimal performance. Get ready to elevate your gameplay with Kagura. Kagura's abilities empower your team and control the battlefield. Her first skill, Divine Blessing, grants a substantial attack increase to allies within a certain radius, making your damage dealers more potent. Spirit Dance, her second skill, allows her to stun up to 3 enemies, interrupting their attacks and setting up combos. Her ultimate, Sacred Barrier, provides a robust shield, absorbing a large amount of incoming damage for your entire squad. Timing these skills is key. To truly master Kagura, strategic positioning is paramount. Always keep her protected behind your tanks or bruisers, as she is vulnerable to direct attacks. Her stun is incredibly versatile. Save it to interrupt dangerous enemy abilities or to lock down key targets for your team. Coordinating her attack buff with your main damage dealers can lead to swift victories, often reducing enemy health by more than 1/2 in a single push. Practice these tactics to dominate. Kagura shines brightest when paired with the right teammates. Look for heroes who can capitalize on her attack buffs, like powerful assassins or marksmen, and strong tanks who can protect her while she supports. Units with area of effect damage or follow-up crowd control also synergize exceptionally well with her stun. Remember to check the description for links to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Building a balanced team around Kagura will significantly increase your win rate and overall enjoyment of Anime Vanguard. Good luck, Commanders!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.